My dad just replaced his shed cover, so let me give you a closer look at this replacement cover set that he used. First off, if you're not sure which replacement cover you need for your ShelterLogic shed, check the white tag or sticker that's usually located at an inside corner of the shelter. It will have the reorder part number, which makes it much easier to find the correct replacement. So this replacement kit comes with the main cover, a solid rear panel, a double zipper front door panel, 2 bungee cords, and 8 ratchets needed for installation. My dad was able to replace it on his own, but having a second person would definitely make the process easier, especially when positioning the main cover over the frame. So this cover is made from durable ripstop fabric that's 100% waterproof and UV treated inside and out to help protect against, any sun damage, weather, and everyday wear. So if your ShelterLogic frame is still in good shape, but the cover has seen better days, replacing just the cover can be a much more affordable option than replacing the entire shed.